Hello, everyone. I am Joseph. Welcome to Joseph's Easy English.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
We help you practice real everyday English. Today is a special, long lesson. We are listening to a full conversation about meeting someone new.
Please, if you like learning with us, click that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps us so much.
Yes, thank you. Grab a notebook and a coffee. This is a long practice. Let's listen to Evan and Amy.
Whoa, it is warm in here.
Yes, it feels nice, and it smells delicious.
Coffee beans and cinnamon, the best smell in the world.
I agree. It is much quieter than the party.
Look, there's a free table by the window. We can sit there.
Perfect. Do we order at the counter first?
Yes, we order at the counter, pay, and then we sit down. I will treat you.
Oh, no, Evan. You don't have to pay for me.
I insist. You are new to the city. It is a welcome gift, a coffee and a biscotti.
That is very sweet. Thank you. Next time, I will pay.
Deal. Next time is on you. Hi there.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Amy, what would you like?
Can I have a cappuccino, please?
A cappuccino, large or small?
Small, please. A small cappuccino.
Okay, and I will have a black coffee, a medium roast.
Anything to eat?
Yes, do you see the biscotti imitar?
Oh, yes, the almond ones?
Yes, 2 almond biscotti, please.
That will be $12.50.
Here is my card. Thank you.
Thank you, Evan.
Okay, let's grab our drinks and sit down. Whew, it is nice to sit down. My feet were tired.
Mine too. Standing at a party is hard work.
So, Amy, here is your authentic American-Italian biscotti.
Let me inspect it.
Hmm.
It looks crunchy.
Try it. Dip it in the coffee. That is the rule.
Okay. Okay, it is good. It has good flavor.
Is it approved by Italy?
It is approved. It is not like my grandmother's, but it is tasty.
High praise. Not like grandmother's, but tasty. I will take it.
So, Evan, we are sitting in a quiet place now. Can I ask you about your family?
Sure. What do you want to know?
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Is she older or younger than you?
She is older. She's 3 years older than me. She lives in Florida.
Florida? That is far away.
Very far. It is sunny there. She hates the snow, so she moved south.
Smart woman. Is she married?
Yes, she is. She's married and has 2 kids, so I am an uncle.
Uncle Evan. That suits you. Do you like being an uncle?
I love it. I spoil them. I buy them loud toys like drums, and then I go home. It is the perfect arrangement.
That is mischievous.
What about you? Siblings?
I have a younger brother. His name is Paolo.
Paolo. Is he still in Lucca?
Yes, he lives with my parents. He's studying at the university.
What is he studying?
He's studying architecture. He wants to design houses.
Ah, so you are an artist family. You design logos, he designs houses.
I guess so. My mother is a teacher and my father owns a small shop, but they love art.
That sounds like a warm home. Do you talk to them often? Nowadays, with technology, it's easy. Do you use video calls?
Yes, we use FaceTime every Sunday. It's our tradition. Sunday at 2 p.m. here is 8 p.m. there, so we eat dinner together over the phone.
That is lovely. Technology is amazing. Imagine writing letters and waiting weeks.
I know. I could not do that. I need to see their faces.
So, Amy, you moved here for work. You are a graphic designer. But what is your big dream?
My big dream? Wow, that's a deep question for a first meeting.
We are drinking coffee. Coffee is for deep questions.
Okay, my big dream. Honestly, I want to have my own design studio one day.
Your own business?
Yes, I want to be the boss. I want to hire other artists. Maybe create a magazine.
A magazine? About what?
About travel and art, combining my two loves, Amy's World.
I would buy that magazine, Amy's World. It sounds successful.
Thank you. It is a scary dream. It costs a lot of money to start a business.
It does, but you were young. You have time, and you have talent.
What about you, Evan? You are an accountant. Do you dream of numbers?
No, I do not dream of spreadsheets. My dream is, actually, I want to write a book.
A book? A novel?
Yes, a mystery novel about a detective who solves crimes.
That is exciting. Does a detective have a cat?
Yes, the detective has a cat named Buster, and the cat helps him find clues.
Evan, you have to write this book. I want to read it.
I am working on it, slowly, 1 page a week.
You should write more. Maybe 1 page a day.
You are right, I am lazy. I watch Netflix instead of writing.
We can help each other. I will push you to write, and you can push me to design.
An accountability partner. I like that.
Yes, we need motivation.
Speaking of motivation, how is your English feeling?
My English? Right now?
Yes, we have been talking for 1 hour.
1 hour? Wow. My brain is a little tired, but I feel comfortable.
You are speaking very fluently. You haven't used your translator app once.
I haven't. I forgot about my phone.
That is the best sign. When you forget the phone, you are really communicating.
You are easy to talk to, Evan. You speak slowly and clearly.
I try. I used to teach my nephew to read, so I have practice with patience.
It helps a lot. Sometimes people speak so fast. What is your voice?
What you doing?
Yes, what is that? It sounds like one word.
It is lazy English. What are you doing becomes what you doing. We squish the words together.
It is a nightmare for students.
I promise to never squish my words with you, Amy.
Thank you. Please keep them separated.
Amy, look outside. It started snowing again.
Oh, look at that. Big flakes.
It is beautiful, but it means the roads will be slippery.
I should probably go home soon. I have work tomorrow morning.
Yes, me too. Numbers do not sleep.
Thank you for the coffee, Evan, and the conversation. This was unexpected.
Unexpected is good. I had a great time. Better than standing alone at the party.
Much better.
So, before you go,
Yes?
should we exchange numbers so we can talk again? Maybe go to that museum you mentioned?
I would love that. Yes. Let's exchange numbers.
Okay, I have my phone ready. What is your number?
Okay. My number is 555
555, okay.
0199.
0199. Got it. And your name is Amy with an S.
Yes. Amy, Italian designer.
I saved you as Amy Rainstick.
Evan, change it.
No, I like it. It is a good memory. Okay, I will text you so you have my number.
Okay, I got it. Evan with the E.
Perfect. Now we are connected.
Do you take the subway home?
No, I live close enough to walk. Do you take the bus?
Yes, the bus stop is just across the street.
I will walk you to the bus stop to make sure you don't fall in the snow.
You are very protective. Thank you.
Just being a friend. Let's put on our coats. It looks cold out there.
Brr, yes. Winter in the city.
Ready?
Ready.
Have a safe trip home, Amy. Text me when you arrive.
I will. Good night, Evan. Give Buster a hug for me.
I will. Good night, Amy. See you soon.
See you soon.
Welcome back. Did you enjoy the conversation?
Wow, Evan and Amy talked for a long time. They are becoming good friends.
Yes. Let's look at what happened. First, they met at a party. Then they moved to a quiet cafe.
They talked about family, like brothers and sisters. They talked about dreams. Amy wants a studio, and Evan wants to write a book.
And finally, they exchanged phone numbers. This is very important.
How did Evan ask for her number?
He said, "Should we exchange numbers? It is a polite way to ask."
And Amy said yes. She was happy.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes, question of the day. What is Evan's dream? Does he want to be a chef or does he want to write a book?
Tell us in the comments. Also, tell us your dream. Do you want to learn English perfectly? Do you want to travel?
We love reading your dreams. Please type them below.
Thank you for watching this long lesson. If you watched until the end, you are a champion.
Yes, type I am a champion in the comments if you are still here.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English videos.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.